Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Rivian. The turnaround, has it begun into the market right now? I don't think so. So we'll try to go over that real quick today in the market for Rivian. But could the stock be heating up? Let's see. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well, because I want you all to see my videos whenever they're posted on this particular platform, so that you all can be one of the first ones to get a gist as to what we're seeing from the charts. Now, you can see right now in Rivian that we have been expecting the market to go down in price, and it has done that. But take a look at this. The price in Rivian has been nesting and just trading right here at this buy pocket. Why is that the case? Who is the person, entity, institution, business, hedge fund, whatever? Who is buying Rivian right there? Because somebody is not trying to let this stock price go any lower than like $10. Somebody, they don't want the price to go that low. Okay. So there's been plenty of opportunity for us to come and bag profit though from this price prediction, right? We can see at the low multiple times here in Rivian around 1050 that the market would have garnered around 18.5%, 18.43 right there. Okay, so let's just get rid of that. Let's clean up this chart. We need to create another pocket because apparently these buyers are right here. Okay, as long as that holds, Rivian is going to do one of two things. Either it's going to continue to consolidate, or this stock will go up. One of those two. As long as buyers continue to show us their hand right there around that $10.30, $10.40 price. Okay. Now, given what we've seen at that price right here, the market has been bought. Meaning, when we saw weakness and selling come into the market in Rivian, right? Whenever we saw that, the market came back up the next day. That's because people are buying. That's because somebody thinks this price is attractive and at a discount, and they're looking for it to go higher. Let's look at Rivian on the 2. So here it is on the 2. This market has been getting walloped. Like, I'm not going to deny that these sellers has been trying to push down the price, because that 2-day price bar here, this 2-day price bar, this one, and this one, all of these represent sellers selling their stock in the market. The crazy part is that there's been enough demand willing to absorb all of that selling. That price hasn't fallen below $10.40. Here is Rivian on the 3. Okay. Here it is on the 4. Rivian on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. These right here on the 5. This 5-day bar. And then this 5-day bar, even though we have 9 hours and 10 minutes left, you can see where price came down to that pocket and then it lifted. Price, the close lifted from that pocket. That gives us indication that someone is here buying, just like they did on that 5-day bar. Okay. Take a look at Rivian on the weekly chart. 2 weeks. 3. So one thing I would say is that, yes, I do see buyers trying to come in and support price, but it's not like glaringly obvious that they're here trying to really move this market up. So we may be in the beginning phases of seeing Rivian trying to go higher, which may translate over into just seeing the market consolidate. Okay. So here it is on the 5. Here's Rivian on the monthly chart. So yeah, I'm not all gung-ho that this particular stock is bullish, but I do recognize this market trying to go up. That's what it's trying to do. Here it is on the 330. Okay. Right here is telling me that these buyers are trying to go up in this price, in this market. This 330, that 330, and these 330-minute price bars right here. Okay, so that is what we're going to anticipate the market in Rivian trying to do. Yeah, I like the 3-hour chart too. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back on the daily, and we're going to drop a prediction. Let's add a sell pocket. Matter of fact, we're going to add a sell pocket right here. And now let's drop this one here. There might be a sell pocket right around this area. Let me see this on the hour. Yeah, we're going to put that there. Just so you guys will know that we could see price and the Rivian get rejected right there. So let's hit that top of that pocket. So that will give us 6%, $12.16. And then our next target is going to be up here around $13.25. That is 15.34%. And then at the high, $13.50. That's 17.7% move there. All right, so I think we got it right there, y'all. All right, so I'm done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.